Hey beautiful people, it is your girl Angel and I have some incredible news for you guys for today. I've been working on a project for a couple of weeks now and I am excited that now I can finally share it with you guys. Um, but I want to give you guys a little bit of a backstory. So about a month ago I posted a post about how to have a bug-free summer. And I was kind of surprised with all of the interactions and engagement that I received from it, both within the comments and as well as the DMs I received. And I wanted to know if you guys wanted to know what I used during the summer and when I went on trips on how I kept mosquitoes from biting me and staying bug free all summer. And by my surprise, you guys wanted to know. As soon as I saw how many people were like, interested, I was like, wow, like first of all, I was shocked and I was like, I could actually sell this as a product. And so it brings me to say that I have two products that I want to share with you guys today, but I also want to tell you guys why I decided to create it. So I have here for you guys Sucka Free and Buhbye, two natural essential oil insect repellents that I created I wouldn't say by accident, but just because I needed something to work and keep me from getting bit by bugs. So back in 2000, was it 17? I think it was 2017 was the last time I was in Guyana. My family's from Guyana and Trinidad, and so I went to Guyana one summer, and I mean, every time I've ever been to Guyana, and even the summers here in Boston, I would get torn up by mosquitoes and it was like unreal. Like I will insert a picture so you guys can see how these bugs would literally eat me alive. And so last year, 2019, I knew I was going to be going back to Guyana and I was also going to go to Trinidad for the first time. And I told myself I will not get another mosquito bite. So I did my research and created and formulated this essential oil bug spray and it worked. I mean, I had some failed attempts where I would, put either too much essential oil because I thought like more oil the better it is, but really it just made my skin tingle and feel like I had a whole bunch of what is it called? Like Listerine or mouthwash just drenched over me and it was not comfortable whatsoever. And then I created a formula that actually worked, that I didn't feel any of those like uncomfortable side effects of, using too much essential oils, and all of that good stuff. So I made myself a batch, and when I was in Trinidad with my husband, we used it, no mosquito bites. I was super excited. The following month or 2 months after, because we went to Trinidad late May, and then we had to go to Guyana that July. Went to Guyana, not one bite. I mean, not one bite. Like, compared to the picture you guys saw, from that to not getting any bites whatsoever, I was like, what? And around the time when we went, it was still kind of like rainy season, so there was a lot of sitting water all over the place. It was all over the place, but not one mosquito messed with me. Then, in September 2019, I went to India. And when I went to India, it was a little bit towards the end of monsoon season. And I was like, I'm not playing around. I'm not getting bit. No. Went to India, brought my natural bug spray that I, created myself, sprayed it, not one bite. I didn't have any bites. And while I was on my trip in India, the two people I traveled with, the whole time, they were just using my, my do-it-yourself, homemade bug repellent. And so I love this. Like, I love that it's natural. I love that I don't have to worry about the ingredients that's inside of it. And I love that it actually works. And so when I was thinking about it for this summer, I was, making some for myself and like some of my family members. And I was like, you know what? Let me just put a post, talking about, some fun tips that a lot of people don't know about on how to stay bug free and mosquito free during the summer. And so when I created the post, I received an amazing, amount of, engagement from everybody. I was, talking to some people that I didn't know, talking to some friends that I had. And I was super impressed with how many people just wanted to have a product that actually works and something that was natural and organic. And so I thought about it, I sat on it, I talked to my husband, and I really wanted to go, move forward with it. So I created these two awesome products, and I hope you guys love it as much as me. The first one I want to show you guys is Sucka Free. It is as I said, natural essential oil bug repellent, and this one is safe to use on children older than 10. For anyone younger than 10 and older than 3, I would recommend Buhbye. And so look at that, so cute. The reason why I wanted to have two formulas was because when it comes to essential oils, as I said earlier, with my trial and error phase, there could be a little bit of irritation, especially with children when it comes to essential oils, and you don't want to have them feel uncomfortable with that burning, tingly sensation, because some people define it or feel as if it is burning, when really it's just like the essential oils aren't properly diluted. And so I made one that was for 10 years plus and then 3 years plus. Both of them are super, they're small enough to bring on your carry-on. They're 2 ounces. You could throw it in your purse. You could throw it in your carry-on. If you're a guy, look at it. You could keep it in your car. Same thing for the ladies. You could throw it in your diaper bags if you have multiple kids and you're like out playing around in the parks and stuff like that. It's super safe. I love this stuff. Like, I love it so much that I spray it all the time. It smells so good to me. Like, it makes me feel happy, it makes me feel joyful, it makes me feel peaceful. You give it a good shake because it is oils. You want to be able to mix it all up in there, give it a good shake. And I like spraying it on my face. Of course, avoid your mouth, avoid your eyes and stuff like that. You don't want that stuff getting into your eyes or your mouth because it's not fun. It's just nasty. So I like to give it a good shake and then spray myself down, and I feel so fresh. I feel so clean. I feel sucka free, baby. Sucka free. Okay? And so along with making these two products, I was like, for me, I like to douse. I love smelling good. I love the way these two products smell. I was like, for the person that loves to douse, you might run out quick. So I created the refill size. And so with the refill size, it's 16 ounces. You could pour it into your small matte black glass bottle. And you could continuously refill it, and go about your business. And I love that. And so I wanted to come on here, share these two products with you guys, and invite you guys to shop and, just give you guys a different option compared to the other products that are being sold to us. Again, homemade, black owned. I really want to be able to give back, and so also along with the sellings and the money that I make from these products, I will be giving a percentage of it back to the children that live in the Caribbean. So I feel like I'm gonna have a certain schedule on what months I'm gonna focus on different countries and different things that's happening in the Caribbean, especially for the children in the Caribbean. I love Guyana so much. I pour into some of the programs that are out there. My husband and I, we are actively always seeking out different ways to help other people and stuff like that, especially in the Caribbean. And so I thought, with this beautiful product, why not? So if you guys want to be a part of this little project, which is now a stream of income for me, as well as helping children in the Caribbean, hit your girl up. You can find more information about these products on lightlabel.com or on suckafreespray.com. Again, all the links will be in the description, and I'm just so excited to share this with you guys. I love you guys so much. I can't wait to hear how you guys feel about it and all of that good stuff. Thank you again for your time and watching this video. I love you guys so much. Have a great day, great evening, whatever time it is. I love you guys, and keep shining. Don't let anyone dim your light. I love you guys. Bye.